Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Plate Cove is a picturesque community on Newfoundland's Bonavista Peninsula, nestled along Bonavista Bay. The community is divided into two parts, Plate Cove East and Plate Cove West. Plate Cove East is a small community with a rich history. The community has a primarily Catholic population with some Anglican residents. Historically, the local economy has been based on fishing and farming, with a nearby fishery in Plate Cove West supporting these industries. The community is also known for its unique folk songs, many of which were collected in the 1970s. Plate Cove West is situated adjacent to Plate Cove East and shares a similar cultural and economic background. The local economy is primarily based on the fishing industry, with many residents employed by the local fish plant or working as fishermen. Both Plate Cove East and West are believed to derive their name from the shape of the cove, which resembles a dinner plate. Today, Plate Cove continues to be a vibrant community that celebrates its rich cultural heritage and strong sense of community.
Thanks for watching!